because we will be traveling for almost for 20 hours, and then of course we have to Good morning, guys. Okay, I'm vlogging after a long time. It is Sunday today, and time right now is 8:45. Today I woke up at 7:15 because last night I went to sleep early, so I had enough sleep. I did my workout already. Right now I'm oiling my hair. So today's day is going to be super duper busy because tomorrow we are going for a trip, and I'm gonna go for my nails and eyebrows. They need immediate assistance. So anyways, let's have coffee, get ready, and go out and get our stuff done. And I will see you guys shortly. I got my nails done. So I'm back, and I came to office with Sanjay because we had to do a couple of things before we leave, because we will be traveling for almost for 20 hours, and then of course we have to go there and have some rest. So before that we had to do a couple of things, so that was important. And let me give you the quick tour of this place. Okay, so this is our office. There are some tables there, and that's our kitchen, that's printer, and this is my office, guys. Let me show you. I've got my heater because I'm always cold, I don't know. So yeah, that's my office. And this is Sanjay's office. Sanjay. We are having tea. We are going to stay for the next couple of hours in here, and then we are gonna go home and pack our stuff. And the time is 5:35. Just got done from work. Now we are heading home. So let's go. Sanjay is just coming. All we have to do is just pack our stuff, and what else we have to do? Yeah, just pack our stuff. Tomorrow we are going to leave to Toronto around 12 o'clock or max 1 o'clock because our flight time is 9 o'clock. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so the packing is done. Now everything is done. I'm going to make dinner. I'm just going to make dal chawal and fish maybe, and I'm just going to have some rest. Good morning, guys. Okay, so the time right now is 9:45. I just woke up, and it is Monday today, and it is our flight day. Everything is packed. We are ready, and we are going to leave around 1 o'clock for Toronto because our flight is from Pearson. So right now we are going to have breakfast because it is going to be a long day, and after having breakfast we are going to get ready and leave, and I will see you guys at Pearson. Guys, before proceeding on Spain trip, let me quickly show you a beautiful bouquet that I recently got from Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a New York-based company that is started in 2019. They design luxurious rose boxes with natural roses, and that will last for a year. Yes guys, you heard it right. In fact, I have multiple bouquets that I got in last 3 years, and they are still in super fresh condition because they are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. This time I've got this beautiful red bouquet in heart-shaped box. And they have tons of varieties on their website. And right now they have huge fall sale is going on. So guys, hurry up, don't be late to choose a bouquet of your choice, because so many festivals are just around the corner, and I think this is a perfect gift for your loved ones for any occasion. You can also get discount of $25 if you use my code, which is Amarta25, and all the information is given in the description box below. You can check it out. We have just parked our car in here for 6 days, and we are at an airport. Now we are going to take shuttle from here. Basically they charged $74 for 6 days. So yeah. The time is 6:04. Our flight got delayed for 1 hour. It was supposed to be at 9 o'clock, but now it is 10:15. So it is delayed. We got our boarding passes, dropped off our luggage as well, and the time right now is 8:17. Actually our flight got delayed for 1 hour. Our flight time was 9 o'clock, but it got delayed for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So now new flight time is 10:15. So anyways, everything is done. Now we are here in the restaurant. Yes. Thank you. We have just ordered some drinks. Now we are just waiting for the flight, because in 1 hour the boarding will be started. Okay guys, so that was all about our preparations and flight to Spain. That's pretty much it for today's vlog. However, stay tuned for super duper fun series of Spain trip vlogs. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again in Spain.